called Samgori Farm, and they specialize in it's a volcanic, spicy Korean chicken dish that they blowtorch, that they burn entire mountains of wood to cook. And it's one of the coolest processes, I think, maybe of all Korean food. Wow, that's a lot of heat. This is straight up pyromaniac cooking. It's their own secret recipe, but it includes carrots, potatoes, chicken, and then lots of gochujang, which is the Korean pepper paste. Oh man, this is just the ultimate pyromaniac cooking. First of all, I gotta say big props to the chefs. Man, I am sweating. I'm like drenched in sweat. I just watched them make one pan for 30 minutes. They do this all day, non-stop. No? Yeah, going in. Oh man, for the drumstick since it's right on top. It's still on fire. Oh, the flavor is incredible. Sweet, salty, a little bit spicy, and just condensed flavor. And just the incredible smokiness from that fire. Sweet potato. It's still on fire, yeah. Yeah, you don't want to take too big of a bite at one time.